And it gives you a chance to get up there and get an ice cream sundae, a beer, pop, soda, water, something like that. What? The little tornado that still belongs down in Florida and California. Jacob Floyd, all right, yes! Wonderly, first time on a track out here. He's not doing bad. That's where you want to start, is on a mower like this. You want to give it a start. In a season or two, you move on up to one of the faster machines out there. Okay. We got a little dust thing going on over here. Jacob Floyd, number 70. Out of Estacada. Milwaukee, Oregon brings Trevor Wonderly here. You know, I think Wonderly is gaining on him a little bit, by golly. He's getting the hang of it. First time on the track, he's getting a feel for it. He get into a little wet spot, gets a little gosh darn squirrely. Other than that, he's doing a fine job out there. Trevor Wonderly made up a look at that guy. First time out. All right, he's getting a feel for it. He's getting the hang of it now. All right. Jacob, you got your hands full coming into turn 4. They're getting a handle on her now. Trevor, you're showing your colors there, babe. Turn 2. Going to turn 3.
Come on, Trevor.
Into the chicane.
Take him, buddy.
Jacob Floyd maintaining the lead. Trevor's right there on him. If Trevor hangs on like this, he's got a second. All right. One more lap. All right. Trevor to the inside. Makes a block coming out of turn 2. Jacob Floyd hanging on. All right. Into turn 3. Trevor Wonderly. First time on the track. Look at that guy go. All right. Okay. Now, I got to tell you, that's the slowest class we've got, and if you generated that much excitement, either one of two things, they're good or you guys are getting drunk. One. I don't know.